What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? Oh my goodness, long time no see. I know, it's been a minute. I've been working like crazy, especially I've been designing a whole new layout. Look at that, crazy. We coming back. You coming to our grand opening coming soon. Yeah, we coming back. Hey, I'm opening soon. Yes, the new salon is opening soon. How can we help you? Oh, let's put you on the schedule right now. You're gonna like the things inside the new salon, especially the layout. Very open, very spacious. We are coming to a salon near you. I'll see y'all soon, okay? I'm gone. Bye.